Hey guys, just a quick video here. Yeah, sorry, I don't want to show off my name and address, but this, believe it or not, is a check from Dodge. So I had asked you guys a couple times in the past if you were all having an issue with your lifts that holds the trunk open. And I don't know about you guys, but I certainly did with these ones right here. If it was like below 40 degrees, if I didn't hold that lift all the way up, this thing would bop back down on my head. And it bumped me on the head one too many times. I went to the dealership. I showed it in one of my videos. I brought it in there to have the lifts replaced, and they did not replace them. They said, oh, well, the new ones are going to be the same way. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I have the bigger spoiler on the back of my car, and I don't know if that adds extra weight. I'm sure it does. But when I looked up this part number here, and I got like cross references, they said, come on, focus on me. They talked about, without spoiler. So I don't know. I don't know what the deal was. Anyway, so I got these ones from Strong Arm. And I'll put the link in the description below. Bought them from Amazon. They were like 35 bucks, including tax and everything. No big deal. It took like 2 seconds to pop them on. But I was kind of pissed that Dodge would not replace them. I had contacted FCA, and of course the Tier 1 tries to, just blow you off. But I kind of pushed on it. I said, listen, I bumped my head on this thing, man, and, this happens again. And if it's happening to other people, you're going to have a serious problem. So they kind of took me serious, and for a $35 part, what's the deal here? Anyway, make a long story short, I spoke with a person. She was very helpful. She says, order what you think is going to work. Let me know if it works out. If it does, send me the receipt, and I'll go ahead and reimburse you. So I showed her the link to the page. I sent her my receipt, and it was like $35. So, I mean, they sent me a check right away. They said it was going to take a long time. I don't think it took more than like a week turnaround, so it was really fast. But, so yeah, check out the link in the description below. The knuckle, on the one I bought, you gotta, when you put these in, you want to have this part towards the top so that, the fluid flows down towards this edge, towards the piston, so the seal, you know what I mean? But this piece right here is a little bit more narrow than the one I bought. The one I bought is a little bit bigger, so it rubs slightly on that corner edge. But, not that bad. I think it'll be all right. And yeah, so and it holds the trunk up much better. Even when it's cold, that thing is way up. And then if it's not cold, the thing just, it really flies up there pretty good. So I'm digging the new struts. 35 bucks. If you're having an issue, go ahead and take care of it. Again, the link's in the description. Let me know if you had the same issue. I asked a couple people, if they were having an issue. I asked Driveway Demons if he was having a problem. He said no. So I don't know. I mean, he has a Hellcat, but he's got the same spoiler, same trunk, same shock lift, and he said that he didn't have an issue. So I don't know. I think these shocks were bad, and I think the dealer should have probably just replaced them for me, but they didn't. But whatever. It is what it is. It wasn't a big deal. All right. Talk to you later.